The Holy Stone HS600D Professional Drone is equipped with an impressive 8,000 pixel camera, providing exceptional image clarity for aerial photography enthusiasts. Featuring a 3-axis gimbal, this drone ensures stable and smooth footage, making it a favorite among both hobbyists and professional videographers. With an extended flight time of up to 80 minutes, thanks to its dual battery system, users can enjoy longer flying sessions without frequent recharges. The drone's advanced transmission capability allows for a range of 20,000 feet, ensuring a strong and stable connection even over long distances. Creative features like vertical screen aerial and time-lapse photography add to its versatility, offering more ways to capture unique perspectives. Designed with beginners in mind, the HS600D includes user-friendly modes like GPS follow and auto return, making it accessible for new pilots while still offering plenty for experienced users.